Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. So basically today what I'm doing is I have to run, this is called Coraline, the trade name. So I have to run this through the bulkhead and all the way back inside the main electrical room. Which is here, where my service cables are going. And that core length is going to be going over to basically where I have my 200 amp disconnect, but it's going on the outside. That's for that pipe is going to be for the generator backup. So originally the meter base was supposed to be on the other side of the house, but for some reason we have to reroute it onto the other side, so all my generator pipes are on the other side of the house, and that's why I'm running this set of this core line. Thank you.